Everyone, good to see you again. So today we'll be doing tulips as most of you had voted for tulips. So I'll be showing you how to draw simple tulips with pen and ink, and you can draw it with pencil also. So I'll show you light strokes of pencils also. So I'm going to put you on the other side. The tulip has only 6 petals, 3 outside and 3 inside. So the leaves are very simple of tulips, and the shading as well is very easy. Draw the shape of a cup. You have to do the top of it so it exactly looks like a tulip. The height and the width is the same size, and the stems are really easy of a tulip. So we'll be doing 3 petals outside and 3 petals inside. So this is the one petal. Normally tulips, the tip of the tulip is not very sharp, it's a little bit flatter. So one, so these are the 3 petals, and then the 3 inside one. You can draw different shapes, different sizes. So after this, the shading of the tulip is done. So basic idea of a tulip, how to draw, is the proportions need to match. The height and the width are the same. Then you add the petals, highlight the center veins of a petal, and then shade accordingly. Again, the direction of shading has to be done according to the direction of the main vein. So after this, I'll start on the main sheet. So I get a lot of inspiration from a very popular Instagram artist. She is called Alice Loves Drawing. You can see for inspirations her work. So I have made one work looking at her inspiration. Was very simple. It was like a doodle. It looked like this. So full page of tulips. We're not going to do this today because it's a shorter session. So the shading was very easy. It was more like lines. And the drawing of the petal, I've shown you the basic. So cup shaped, length and the width same. And just focus on the 6 petals, because mostly tulips consist of 6 petals. I really like tulips as a flower. After visiting the garden in Netherlands, it's called Kiekenhof. So it's really beautiful to see tulips. And doing the outlines first of the leaves with just highlighting the main vein. I think one of the easiest leaf is of tulip. I think it's really straightforward. And you know, the light and shadow is always very important when you're making florals. So it's always better to have a real flower for the reference. You can just pick some marigolds or whatever flowers you have in the house and just try to replicate that. That's how you can learn doing the flowers. So just highlight the main veins of the leaf. So these are like leaf. This is very rough pattern. Now I'll just do the stems with the same pen. I'm not only for the shading I use slightly thinner number of pen. So all the tulips are, most of them are cup shaped. Only the one which is slightly open is a little wider. The proportion is a little bit wider. We'll be highlighting the stem, the bottom where the flower and the stem joins. So when we're doing the open flower, you need to do those pistils in between, which are like shape of a tulip only. So just do 2 of them and just highlight them. So I'll start with the open tulip first, and then I'll go on to the other ones. So I'll do the petals with the same pen, and then the shading with again the tip of the petal is not very sharp like other flowers, like sunflower I did and peonies I did. So very soft. Focus on only 6 petals when you're making a tulip, not more than 6. Depends on the angle, so you can just show 3 petals also. So this is the together. It's fully closed. So I'll just show you the one which is fully closed. So I'm just making you see only the 2 petals which are making it closed. So when you're shading it, then I'll be able to show you more. So I'm just dividing the closed one into 2 halves in a very natural form. So basically I'll be shading it with the thinner pen so you can see it. So this is the close. Again, I'll be highlighting the stem. The main petal could be on the left side, could be on the right side. If you see real tulips, just take a screenshot of it and try drawing from there. That's the best way how you can learn. And so again, I'm dividing it with one big petal. This is a bigger tulip. So, and then you can do a few smaller petals followed by the middle shadow overlapping petal. So these are just the outlines. So once we finish the outlining, then we'll be doing the shading. I haven't like, if you've been to any garden where you have seen real tulips, try taking a lot of photos, and later you can do acrylic, color pencils and watercolor flowers. It looks really pretty. So here also, with this pigment liner pens, you can do watercolor on top of it. You can do color pencils as well. So they don't bleed. If you're using a regular gel pen, then you can just color pencil it. Tulips come in different colors, so you can choose your favorite color and do accordingly. Now I'll take a thinner pen and I'll start shading the tulips. As 0.1 pen, I'll highlight the, sorry, this is really thick one, 0.1. So I'll highlight the tip of the stem followed by the petals. Darker the portions that are on eye level, just to create the light and shadow. In some flowers, maybe the left hand side will be highlighted, and depending on where the light is coming from. Not necessary, again you have to shade all the petals, but try highlighting the rim of it. Some you can start from top also. Just simple shading like this. Where you see the petal is divided, just darker that portion. Simple. I hope after this video you'll be posting your version of tulips and tag us so we can put it on our stories. So this is very basic drawing, so like, you know, when you're just wanting a art therapy kind of a thing, so just grab a paper and a pen and start scribbling these floral illustrations. Most of these tulips are a little closed, only this one is open, so just highlight the area where the pistils are. So, and darker the portion, do a little bit of shading. Direction of the petal where it's going, accordingly do the shading. Use a smooth paper so it's easier to do the shade. Here my focus is on tulips, so I'm not going to worry too much about shading the leaves. Again, like in other flowers I've done, try highlighting some of the petals. So some dark, some light. If you feel there are a lot of empty spaces, fill in as many tulips as you want. Like I showed you this inspired by Alice Loves Drawing. I'll show. Erase the cup shapes that you've created before this, so you know these you can erase them later once you've done the pen work. Just simple light strokes to do the petals. Highlight the front facing petals. Where you want darker areas, you can do cross hatching with a little bit of scribbling. So the darker portions could have cross hatching like this. You can do one direction also. For all the beginners, it's better to do one direction, and then once you become like a little bit more confident, then do the cross hatching. So, and I'll be doing the top one. How the direction of the petal is falling, just focus on that. You can do straight lines for tulips also, they look very nice. Like this. For this, you can just do straight lines. If you can't do the shading, don't worry, just do the straight lines. Somewhere half, somewhere full, somewhere narrower, somewhere less, somewhere more. You can just do it this way also. If you're finding shading a little more tedious, just do the simple way, like how I've done in this illustration. If you feel there is empty spaces here, you could add another leaf or a tulip, or a small tulip also you can add. Please leave your feedback after this session and how we can improvise our live videos. You can add a closed tulip here. I felt the space a little empty here, so I just added one. Followed by, if you feel the space is empty here, you can add another one. So these are quick and simple drawing of tulips. And if you want to highlight the leaves, you can start with going from the main vein, follow it in the leaf direction, and you can just highlight things like leaves like this. If this is the front, darker this portion, and that's at the back. So simple leaf shading also you can do. It's a quick tulip drawing session. Wherever I feel it's a little incomplete, I'm just adding some extra strokes. It's very soft and subtle flowers, tulips, so it's really fun to draw them. Do try it at home. You just require a regular pen and a good piece of paper, slightly thicker and smoother, so your pen strokes work. And if you're not able to do the shading with regular pen, do the line drawing like this. Full lines, half line, depending on the direction of the petal. So this is the close-up, so you can do a little bit of more shading here. because they are looking too stiff, this leaf. So you can do a little bit of shading here. This is how the tulips need to look like. A lot of inspiration. This is from a picture and this is inspired by her. So you can see it's very simple. You just do line drawing here.